I'm happy to introduce our brand new high-speed flexible shaft machine. This tool is equipped with our PowerStay brushless motor, which delivers corded performance, even 23 meters down the line. On front of the tool you can see the speed dial. Here we can easily work from wall to wall with a speed setting from 600 up to 2200 RPMs. We have a forward and reverse mode, and the combination out of a mechanical clutch paired with the electrical foot pedal prevents any damaging when binding and can be easily stored in front of the tool. Thanks to the big reels and the telescopic handle, we can easily maneuver the machine to the point of interest. Milwaukee will also launch 9 different attachment heads. 4 standard chain knockers for standard pipes in plastic, 4 carbide chain knockers for metal pipes, as well as a penetrating head to open the blockage. The flexible shaft machine is equipped with a standard reception, which means we can not only use Milwaukee attachment heads, we can also use it from other brands.